All right, what's going on, YouTube? We are at the top of this cave and mountain, and it's sick. The car's down over there, and we hiked all the way out there, and all the way back there, and then all the way up here, and now we're here. And there's Max in the little pee hole spot for the photos.
Just trying not to die.
And then there's a nice little spot here for some photos with some nice glow up top, which we're gonna need to get now. And he's climbing into that. And yeah, this is out in Sedona, just a secret cave spot. Yeah, so before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this stuff, and come along with us for this adventure. You're supposed to say that thing you remember we were planning? The thing we were planning? Say it, say it.
Never forget the bet.
Hey! All right, what's going on, guys? I don't know if you can hear me. We got a bunch of crattle snakes chirping at us right now. But we're hiking here. We got the trail. The trees are kind of nice over here, I've been told. I enjoy this guy, whatever he is. And we're hiking in Sedona, and we're gonna go find some super sick caves. And if we don't find the caves, I'm gonna be just terribly distraught. So we're gonna go find them, and bringing you guys along for the journey. So let's go check it out. We got Max up there, yep, and I'm right here, so let's get it. Alright, so we're in the cave now, taking some shots, super sick photos. We got the cave, and then we got the Sedona rocks out there, and there's kind of a couple views to this cave that are really cool. So we'll get a few different angles and shots. And then also we're doing some exposure bracketing on this guy, so that we can expose properly for the sky out there, because as you can see on this clip, it's totally blown out, but we can see the cave well. So we're exposing for each thing and blending those together to get a nice photograph. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed the hiking and the photos and the views and all that stuff. And we'll see you guys in the next one.